Did you get into a car accident? Accidents happen, but we are here to help. Car accidents can be stressful and overwhelming, but don't worry. All-Star Auto Body is here to make the process easier for you. We offer towing services to bring your car to our shop. Whether your car needs major repairs or just a touch-up, our expert technicians will take care of it. Our experienced technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure quality repairs. At All-Star Auto Body, we use only high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting results for your car. Our priority is customer satisfaction. We work with all major insurance companies to make the process smoother for you. We also offer custom paint and bodywork services to make your car stand out. Our team will handle all the paperwork and communicate with the insurance company, so you don't have to. We will have your car looking like new and back on the road in no time. Don't let a car accident bring you down. Let All-Star Auto Body take care of everything so you can focus on what matters, getting back to your normal routine. Contact us today for all your auto body needs. We are here to help you from start to finish. Thank you for watching. Drive safely.